Okay, not going to keep you long today. We're just going to do some simple chicken wings. So here's my wings. I've got 1 kg, 1 kilo there. That's 2.2 pound. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of celery salt, 2 teaspoons of cumin, and 2 of coriander. To that, I'm going to add one of these little tomato pastes. 125, 130 grams, I think. Right, I'm going to grab a glove. I'm going to get in there with my hands and give that a mix. It's going to give these a nice little coat. Then we're going to go to the pan, stovetop. We're going to fry these off. Really delicious. The kids love these ones. They're going to be having these for their lunch today. Play around with the spices if you want. Those 6 spices that we put in, I really like. Celery salt, I think, is essential in this. I really think it really works well. But if you want to get some chili in there, some basil or basil, whatever you call that, oregano, take it into whatever direction you want. Fantastic. Look at that. Simple. Okay, I've got a frying pan here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using sunflower. Use corn or canola, whatever you want. We're on a medium heat. Now don't fry them too hard because they'll just burn on the outside and won't be cooked on the inside. And they will cook really quickly because they're just little wings. I'm going to be turning these 3, 4, 5 times. I'm going to be flipping them over. It's going to take 8 to 10 minutes and they're done, nothing to it, and they're delicious. See you in about 10 minutes. Look at those, beautiful, really, really lovely. Right, out they come, 8 to 10 minutes on a kind of medium flame. Don't go crazy with the flame. These are going to come out. I've got a few more to go and we're done. Okay, there you go. Absolutely wonderful. Serving those with some wedges of lemons, which my kids will hate. They'll just take that straight off the plate. But anyway, that's a winner chicken dinner. I'm a #1 daddy. That's what they're going to think. They love those. They're super easy. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe. Keep well. Lots of love.